It is day number 51 and welcome to Luo English Dictionary channel. Today we talk about these 5 words: Andiu, andiwi, andiwo, ando, and ando. So before we begin, please, if you've not gone through day number 1 through 50, go into our playlists in YouTube and find day number 1 through 50 and you'll really enjoy. So let's go. The first word is Andiwu. Andiwu. Andiwu is a small basket. Of course, this is not the andiwu itself, but I'm just giving a depiction of a small basket. Oketo olemo e andiwu mondo welo ocham. Oketo olemo e andiwu mondo welo ocham. She's placed the fruits in a small basket for guests to eat. So andiwu is a small basket. Similarly, number 2 is andiwi. Andiwi. Andiwi is also a small basket, but now it's for preserving food. Magi gin andiwi mag kano chiemo. Magi gin andiwi mag kano chiemo. These are small baskets for preserving food. Number 3 is andiwo. Andiwo. Andiwo has 2 meanings. First, andiwo is white sorghum, which easily ferments and is used for preparing alcoholic drinks. But andiwo also means some kind of alcohol. It's an alcoholic drink. So in a sentence, we can put ma en kal mar loso andiwo. Ma en kal mar loso andiwo. So this is sorghum for preparing alcoholic drink. Ja andiwo might also mean a drunkard. When you want to say a drunkard, you can say ja andiwo. Then our 4th word is ando. Ando. Ando is small ears, like you can see in my picture. Ando. Diel ni kod it mag ando. Diel ni kod it mag ando. The goat has tiny ears closer to its head. Diel ni kod it mag ando. And the last word of the day is ando. Ando. Ando and small white pebbles. So in a sentence you can say, adwa loso dalana kod kite mag ando. Adwa loso dalana kod kite mag ando. So that's it for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss a video that we post and when we post. For now, see you tomorrow. Oriti.